How to create additional profiles on Facebook. Let's get started. First, launch your Facebook app and make sure you have already logged into your account. Now, you'll need to navigate to the menu page. Once you're in this page, click on this option, Create Another Profile. If your Instagram account is connected with your Facebook, you're gonna get this kind of pop-up if you wanna use Instagram's details. You can skip this process or you can choose to use the details of your Instagram. Now here, add a profile name and photo. Then click on Continue. Now click on the option Create Profile. Wait a few seconds and your new profile will be created. Now you can add these friends from your suggested list. Likewise, you can join these suggested groups and click on Next. You can follow the celebrities page and then click on Next. And that's it, you have created a new profile on your Facebook. If this guide helped you out, do not forget to like, share and subscribe. Thanks for watching.